Hello everyone, Nigel here with you, Nigel's Modelling Bench. Just a quickie, very quickly. Yesterday I went to Telford. Yesterday was Sunday, today is Monday, funnily enough. And I went to Telford and came back with a load of stuff that was given to me by a lot of suppliers, and I was very grateful. And I showed you all what I got and asked you all what you want to see reviewed first, and 90% of you chose this. So basically this is going to be this week's WW1 Wednesday. Okay, a review of this. I was going to do it as part of the video, but it's such an involved kit. The review is more than an hour long, believe it or not. And it is well worth watching because it's a beautiful kit. So if you want to see a review of it, here's a quick teaser, just so you can see what's in here. But the box weighs a ton. It is absolutely packed, as you can see. We have a beautiful little Aviattic card there. We have an amazing instruction manual. No less than three main sheets of decals, okay, all pre-cut to size. And then if you count those two, we've actually got 5 sheets. So these are all sort of screen printed, so you have to cut them out accurately. These are all normal with your carrier film and everything on them. We've got some Pfalz stickers there. We've got a postcard of Paul Baumer there. We've got gas patch printed turnbuckles. We've got cast resin. We've got a wings cockpit figure, I think, a pilot there figure. We've got 3D printed resin cockpit. We've got 3D printed resin engine parts, hubs, all gauges and everything. We've got a beautiful poster there. We've got cast resin parts. We've got cast resin fuselage halves. We've got a beautiful sheet of photo, as you can see there. So there's your little teaser for this beauty. This kit is absolutely and utterly gorgeous, guys, and you will want to get yourself one, I think. It's not a cheap kit. It's not a small investment, but I personally believe it's worth every penny. He had them on special at the show yesterday, and I'm surprised he didn't sell out because he was giving a nice discount. Anyway, so there we go. Stay tuned, have a look on Wednesday, WW1 Wednesday. You'll see a full review of this beauty, and I have a feeling I may well build it. So there we go. I just wanted to put a little teaser for you. If you want to go and have a look more about this company, it's Aviattic. www.aviattic.co.uk, as it says on the bottom of that card there. Okay, so go and have a look. And there's this model actually built and weathered beautifully. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you all on Wednesday. Bye for now.